Respected faculty, I'm Shandar Jakka. My register number is URK176. It's about my sixth experiment, that is about abstract class. First one, here is a task. Get a book of class information. Write a book class that does the following, which inherit from the book. Has a parameter constructor taking 3 parameters: string title, string author, int price. These are the declarations which you must have been given, and the input format must be the responsible for reading any input from the HDI. And the solution class creates a book object and calls the class called my book class constructor, passing it with the necessary arguments. Then it calls and displays the method of the book object. This is a format of the input, and here the expected output is this one, which we are able to see is marked one. So while coming to the program, here I have done the program already. Initially initiate the values which have been declared as in the input format, and class my book extends book which inherits the values from the book, and under the integer main class books book values are declared, and this keyword is used in form of the price, and it is displayed in the form of void display. And this is already which has been given. So then displayed characters will be in the form of the expected output. So on running the code, we'll be getting this output which has been compiled, and this is expected output. So we'll come into the second one. This is how the abstract class of string is the same one. Which book new novel is for the new book. This is the condition which has been given. You have to create another class that extends the abstract class, then you have to create an instance of the new class. We have to remember that set title method is an abstract too, and it has no body. We have provided the abstract book class and the main class. In the main class, we created the inheritance of the class called my book. The task is just to write and just this is the my book class. This is the sample input which I have not given. This is a sample output which is to be expected. Coming to the program, create a class called book and class my book, which inherits the values of the book in where the title and title has been set into according to the string, a declared string. And next class my book, which inherits the values from the book. Then set the title to the my book which has been inherited, and under the scanner class create a scanner and display the printout statement. On running the program, we can see that this is the expected output, and the second one is completed. So coming to the third one, this is that you are given an interface advanced arithmetic which contains a method of signature in divisor sum. We need to write a class called my calculator which implements the interface. Divisor sum function just take an integer as input and return the sum of divisors. For divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So divise the sum and return the 12. This is about the program. I'll come to the program. You can see that initially class my calculator implements advanced arithmetic, which has to advanced and arithmetic are interface. Interface is a keyword which has been used mm, rather than using a class mostly. So under the public creator object divisor sum, int sum is equal to 0. Under the for loop, looping is done, and condition is that if n is divisible by equal, then the remainder is 0, then sum is equal to sum plus 1. This is the program. On running the code, we see that the input must be given, I is inputted, this is the expected output. Off chair.